Hi guys, today we're looking at Makita's 40 volt XGT range of cordless power tools. XGT 40 volt is all about is delivering heavy duty, high power, high performance cordless power tools. So as you may know, Makita cordless tools come in three ranges. You've got 12 volt CXT, 18 volt LXT and 40 volt XGT, and that's what we're talking about right now. So what sets it aside? Well, heavy duty 40 volt tools are for the toughest site environments. They are for when you need a tool that does things that cordless tools weren't used to be able to do. So what jobs are these meant to do? Well, all the toughest jobs on the job site, like breaking through concrete or heavy duty drilling and fastening. These tools are designed to completely replace old sources of power for your power tools. So tools that used to be absolutely necessity to be corded, petrol or even pneumatic can now use your batteries, your normal day-to-day lithium-ion batteries. And talking of power, and when I talk about the XGT range, the reason it's not always just 40 volt, the vast majority of the tools are 40 volt, but there are some of your big, heavier duty tools that need to run off 2 batteries. This disc cut's a prime example of one of them. And another great thing about the range is Makita keep expanding it as well. So the 18 volt range is now the biggest in the market with over 250 tools. And with XGT, there's already over 40 tools available on the battery. There's drills, impact wrenches, you've got dust extractors, you've got an earth auger drill. They're bringing out more lawn and garden ranges. So you've got lawnmowers, hedge trimmers, chainsaws. And of course, who's not forgetting the brilliant Makita gadgets we've seen in the recent years, like the kettle, and the world famous Makita microwave. So to sum up, Makita's 40 volt XGT range is incredibly impressive and expanding at a rate of knots. For those of you that work on industrial size, industrial standard construction sites, you guys are going to absolutely love using the 40 volt stuff day in and day out. And if you're predominantly using 18 volt, then it's probably worth investing in 2 or 3 tools for those heavier duty jobs around the site that your 18 volt's just not good enough for. Or of course you're one of those guys that just has to have the best of the best and you're a Makita fan, in which case get yourself some XGT tools. So it's time to replace the cord, replace the pneumatic drill and replace that petrol cutting and get yourself cordless lithium-ion batteries from Makita's XGT range. You can have a look at the entire range, see what's available of course in your home of Makita on the Makita Superstar over at its.co.uk. Let us know your thoughts, comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to see more videos just like this, and I look forward to bringing you much more about Makita's XGT range as time goes on. I'm Rich from ITS, and I'll see you again next time.